Oh, miss me!
I love sleepovers.
Me too, Rosie. It's always fun when we stay the night with you and Raggles.
Yes, because then I get to do this!
Milk time! Got it!
Phew! Pillow fights a thirsty walk.
Thirsty! The plants! We almost forgot they'll be thirsty too. Come on, let's give them a drink. Get ready, Raggles.
Look, it's a snake. I'm not scared of snakes.
Me neither.
Okay, Raggles.
Naughty snake.
Night-night.
Night, Rosie.
Pardon you, Raggles.
It wasn't me.
Well, if it wasn't Raggles...
Where did it come from?
Oh, that noise is funny. I wonder what's making it.
Noise? Can't say I noticed.
Maybe Rosie will know where the noise is coming from.
What was that?
There's somebody at the door.
Come on, Rosie. Let's go and see who it is.
Who is it?
It's only us.
Hello, Bluebird. Big Bear, did you hear the noise too?
Oh, yes. Funny, isn't it?
Well, I couldn't hear anything. That noise!
I wonder what's making it.
I don't know. Let's find out.
Whoa! What's that?
Oh, maybe the thunderstorm went underground.
I don't think storms can do that, Big Bear. But the ground is gurgling. Let's go and explore.
I don't think we should. It's very dark.
It isn't now.
Last one to the playground is a rumbly monster. Monster? Where?
Wait for me!
Wait for me.
It's the little acorns making the noise. Oh,
The acorns aren't loud enough to be the noise.
they don't make the ground shake either.
And how is Oakley managing to sleep through it?
What? Where? Who? Oh, hello. What are you all doing on my hill? It's the middle of the night.
A loud noise is keeping us all awake and we don't know where it's coming from.
We thought it was a thunderstorm.
Or a monster. Haven't you heard it?
No? Describe it to me.
It goes something like this.
Burble, 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 burble.
No, it's more like this. Gurgly, gurgly.
And this.
Wow, Holly!
Oh.
Not Holly, Oakley.
Oh, I beg my pardon. I'm terribly sorry.
Stop it! Stop that horrible noise right now!
I'm sorry, Bluebird, but I don't know how.
It's It sounds just like my tummy when I'm hungry.
That's it. Oakley's roots must be rumbling. Are you hungry or thirsty, Oakley?
Well, it hasn't rained for a few days, so my old roots could be thirsty.
Come on, everyone. Let's get some water for Oakley and give him a nice big drink.
Whoops. Sorry, Bluebird.
That's enough, Big Bear. My turn now.
Thank you, everyone. I feel much better now, and there shouldn't be any more strange noises keeping you awake. Speaking of which, isn't it way past your bedtime?
Yes. We'd better go. Night-night, Oakley.
Good night, everyone.
Rosie,
Yes?
I'm glad I don't have roots that gurgle. It's noisy enough in my tummy.
Mm-hmm.
But if I did have roots, I think they'd prefer a banana sandwich.
Night-night, Raggles. Oh, no. Phew. It's a hot day today, Raggles.
Yes, we need some shade.
Oakley.
Hi, Oakley.
Ooh, come and have a cool down under my leaves.
It's even too hot to play football.
This really is the place to be on a hot day.
And we're not the only ones, Rosie. There's Mr. and Mrs. Maudie, the dormice, and their family. Ed the earthworm. Hello, Ed.
Bouncy, bouncy, bouncy! And the little acorns. Hello, everyone.
Oh, yes, I'm quite a popular tree on a hot day.
You're like an Oakley Hotel.
Oh, of course. What a deliciously perfect idea. Oh, let's make Oakley a proper hotel. A hotel all small creatures can stay in.
Ooh.
Oh. Can I wear a uniform? I could welcome everyone. Yes, the doorman. And I will make the perfect hotel manager. In charge of everything.
Do you really want to be a hotel, Oakley?
Well, I like looking after my friends, so why not?
There. A lift to take the guests to their rooms.
Up here will be the best room, the penthouse suite. These nests will be dry and cosy for our guests.
And these horns and bells will be perfect for calling for room service.
We make quite a team, you and I.
I make quite a hotel manager. Ahem. Welcome to the Hotel Oakley. Here are my staff to look after your every wish.
Here's Raggles, the doorman, to welcome you all. And Holly, the waitress, ready to take orders for lunch and give them to Big Bear, the chef.
And finally, we have Will, our bellboy, ready to take your bags to your room. And Rosie, the hotel housekeeper.
Are we too late for a room? I want a warm, cosy room with the best view.
These geckos don't travel light.
The perfect room for a gecko, warm and light. Enjoy your stay.
Ooh, what about that big nest up there? That's Bluebird's nest, but, oh, why not? It's the warmest and lightest in the hotel. Come on up. That's more like it.
Okie dokie, okie dokie.
Off you go, little acorns. This nest is for guests.
I hope the food is to your liking.
We did ask for hazelnuts, not a rotten apple.
Oh.
Waiter, we ordered raspberries, not hazelnuts.
I'm sorry, madam. I shall, Excuse me, madam. Back in just a second. Oh.
What are they doing in my nest?
I think Ed needs an apple.
Oh, what's wrong?
No one has got what they ordered. All the food is wrong.
Do you think I should have written down what everyone wanted?
That might have made it easier to remember.
What do you think of the Oakley Hotel, little acorns?
No likey likey. Who said the Darties could have my nest?
Me, and they love it. Happy guests, eh?
Next time, I tell the guests where they can go.
What sad little acorns. Where are they going?
Can we have our food now, please?
Coming!
You all look very tired.
Working at this hotel is hard work.
But everyone's happy now they've got their food.
What's for dessert?
What is it, Ed? You're thirsty? I'll get you some water.
It's okay, Ed. Manny's here.
I'll take that. I'm the hotel manager,
I fetched it.
but I'm in charge. Uh-oh.
Oh, it feels like rain.
This sort of thing does not happen at home.
We've got all the guests a present. Something to make you feel more at home. Here you go. From the sunflowers in my garden.
Ooh, our favourites. Thanks, Rosie. One squishy ripe apple from the orchard.
Your favourite bosberries, Mr. and Mrs. Darty.
Oh, thank you, Rosie.
What's wrong?
We love sleeping in your shade on a hot day, Oakley. But these sunflower seeds remind us of our home. Mr. Mordy's right. We all miss our real homes. We want to sleep in our own beds tonight. And I only want my friends to be happy.
Maybe Safi is right. Maybe your home is where your heart is. Oh, and we've got something for you too, Oakley.
Okie dokie, okie dokie, kissy kissy.
Welcome home! Oh, thanks, Rosie.
Woohoo!
Got you!
That's better.
My turn. Ah, nice and cool. It's so hot today. Looks like everyone's in a water mood.
Hello, Big Bear. Do you want to come and play in my paddling pool?
Not today, Holly. I've got to water all my vegetables.
Here I go!
Save some water for me, Bluebird. Here I come.
Hey, Rosie, can I borrow a hosepipe?
Of course, Will. Got you!
My ghost speeder's got all dusty in the hot weather. I want to wash it.
Yippee!
There's water everywhere today.
Great, isn't it?
What was that?
It sounds like Holly. Whatever's the matter?
Oh, Rosie, I've done a terrible thing. I've been filling up my paddling pool from the stream and... I've used up all the water.
You can't have used it all, Holly.
No! Will was using heaps of water to clean his ghost speeder.
What about you two with the squirters?
There's no point in blaming each other. We've got to figure this out.
Hello, Rosie. Have you seen Teal's nest anywhere?
No. Is it lost too?
We've lost the stream.
Where did it go? No nest, no stream. What am I going to do?
Hey, Rosie, what's that sound?
That sounds like...
Rosie, why is there a wall in the stream?
That's not a wall. It's a dam.
Great, isn't it? We've just finished. Matt and Nat.
Nat and Matt, do you like our new home?
Hello. You're beavers, aren't you? Oakley told me they live in streams and build dams to catch fish.
Interesting. Maybe I should have a go.
That's all very well, but who said you could take all these sticks?
Oh, your friends here.
We did?
They said we all share everything, so we just took what we found.
Oh, we might have said something like that.
But we didn't mean they could take everything.
Especially all the stream.
This is our stream. It's their stream.
For them to share.
Come on, Matt. We'd better take the whole thing down.
Start again somewhere else.
We know when we're not wanted. We'll just do without a home.
Poor beavers.
Stop! I've got a better idea. The stream is for everyone, isn't it?
That's right.
Yes, of course.
So let's find a way to share it. Nat, Matt, can you just take out a bit of the dam?
Aye, no problem.
Hey, there are enough sticks here to build a new nest.
You see? We can all enjoy the stream if we share it.
No more wasting water.
Oh, does that mean no more water squirters? I'm hot.
Well, as long as we share... Ready, Raggles?
Ready!
Whoa! We can keep cool and water Big Bear's vegetables at the same time. Your turn to water the houseplants, Raggles.
I did it yesterday.
But I did it 2 days before that.
There's only one way to sort this out, Rosie. Ready?
Ready for a good soaking?
Whoa!